towards the Lethal Culture Summer Car Show. And look right behind me, there's already so much crazy stuff. So I can't wait to see what there is. I'm not gonna stay for the whole thing, but let's go take a look and see if we can catch some cool cars. Lineup looks strong, lineup looks strong. Honda 2000 back there. Dang. Clean 240. S13, very nice. Look at this. With the intake sticking out. Dang, that's cool. He should be in the show. Dang, all over Yanni. Oscar Mike edition. It looks cool. Look at that color. Love that color. Crazy looking meat. Let's go take a look. Pretty cool Suzuki key car, right hand drive. Very cool. Wide body Honda 2000. Very cool hardtop. Looks fast. Extra horsepower. Dude, lots of Honda 2000s here. That's crazy. Thank God I didn't bring mine then, huh? Look, another Honda 2000. Lots of extra horsepower stickers too. Dang. Looks good. He is dumped. But the wheels and tires are really good. NKs in the chrome finish. Looks nice. More Suzuki key cars. Dang.
I like this.
It's so tiny. It's like Gran Turismo 3 A-Spec. This is a Trackhawk on bags. It says Hellhawk. Yeah, it's a Trackhawk. It's a mean old Trackhawk. Dang. Beast. Super VIP. Dang, he did the interior seat covers. Let your imagination run wild. This is just a Honda Accord, right? Honda Accord and made it look like that. Pretty cool. Oh, America. ZL1, baby. Dang. I'm sure these are legal and safe for the streets. Beast. Tastefully modded Evo, actually. Nice Volk racing wheels. So it looks good. Dang, it's like Fast and the Furious. I wish it was painted black with a Shogun wing. Chevy Bel Air. California cruising, right? Impala. Dang. Dude, this is so nice. E30, 36 M3. Clean. Very cool. Love the cockeyed fart can. So race car. Dodge Viper V10 life. Love the inside, believe it or not. Dang. love it, man. Hate all you want on the Viper. You need one in your life. Everyone's gawking over the Liberty Walk like it's an Australian woman. There's that GTR with the crazy wide body, like $20,000 wide body kit. Must be nice to have money. I don't have any. There's that RX-7 again, the yellow one. Right-hand drive. Very cool. Dude, another Honda 2000. Jeez, I thought I had something special. I guess not. I actually like this Subaru with the Yakima on the top. This looks very nice. Oh my God, this Evo. Oh man. I think I need to change my pants. I love this Evo. Oh my God, that's Hector from Fast and Furious. Spoon engines. Ford Maverick all over you, Mr. Yanni. Dude, I like this. This is cool. Look at Hector. Yay, spoon engines all day. LP 610. Pretty cool. Look at that carbon weave. Lots of money that I don't have. Another S13 with a RB25. Jesus. Mercedes transport bag, no big deal. The Brazilian food, let me try this. Crepe on a stick. Heck yeah, look at these Corvettes. I'm glad they're here, represent. I think I smell marijuana. Bad, bad, bad. There's kids here. Holy Toledo, a whole nother lot back here. Take a quick peek. Ooh, Tesla chargers. Dang, I feel like I should make an ofrenda. Pretty clean, WRX, nice. Brazilian crepe, ham and cheese, delicious. Dang, GT350. Love this color. No stripes. Looks good, man. Super jealous. Look at the baby CRX. Dang. Has something special right here. Oh, dang, a Honda 2000 or RPF1s? Dang. Well, I'm pretty sure Stellantis is doing just fine. Very cooling for the new one. Gosh, so jealous. Look at that grill. Love it or hate it. I love it. It's grown on me. This is cool.
What?
Old school RX-7. Good luck. Nissan representing with all the Infinities. Nice. Very cool. Civic SI. Dang. The coupe too. They don't even make these anymore. Looks good. Lots of Honda brethren here. Heck yeah, America with a Z01. Heck yeah. Oh dang, Boost Blue Civic Type R. Man, love it. Jealous. Hey, Stellantis. Good luck when these turn into V6s. Look at the little kitty. Beast. EM1 Civic. Dang. Craziness under there. Looks so good. Interior looks good. It's a good looking Civic. Ones I grew up with. Dang, another Hell Kitty. Kitty cat. Let me get that. Woosy girl. Man, I should just get one of these, dude. He doesn't want to get kicked out. Oh. this isn't making any noise. It was just too hectic to even look for an interview, but this was a car show. This is usually not my scene, like this big, but had a good time. Saw some crazy stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.